Hey guys, it's me, Madison. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my hair with the Dyson AirWrap. So first I'm going to show you what it comes with. Here's the case it comes in. I got this for Christmas, but here's the infamous Dyson case. And here's the inside. And that's where all the attachments went. Yeah, there's the case. Everything goes in here. I'm gonna go through like each attachment and what it does. So first, you have these two, which basically the difference is they're the same size, but the arrows go a different way. So yeah, you get this, and these give like tighter curls. I'll do an example of each one. And then you have these, which is the same thing, same size, just the arrows are going in different ways, and I'll show you what that does. That gives you like a bigger, looser curl. Here's the actual hair dryer part. Here is the round brush, and then here's this, and then you have the actual hair dryer, and then hold on, I have one more piece in my bag. So then you have this brush attachment, and then you have the actual part itself. So that's when it turns on. I like to do it as soon as I get out of the shower, preferably, but if not, I'll get a spray bottle and I'll spray my hair. But yeah, so I'm gonna take my hair down. I just got out of the shower not long ago, and my hair is like kind of wet still, but it's not like as dry as I want it. So first, I'm gonna put some of this in my hair. It's the Nourishing Coconut Milk by OGX. And I like splitting my hair in two parts, like that. Not perfectly in the middle, but just like out of my way. And so the first attachment I even go with before I brush my hair is the actual hair dryer part, and I just clip that in. Okay. So I'm gonna start blow drying my hair. It's on the highest fan setting and the highest heat setting. And this is the cold start button, which we're not there yet. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair to where it's about 80% dry, and I'll be right back. And this blow dries your hair really fast. So make sure not to over dry your hair if you're gonna curl it. After your words, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it because this side's pretty much how I want it. So now I'm gonna take this attachment off, and to take it off, you hold this down and then you just lift it up. And then don't try pulling it without pushing this button down. I did that and it wasn't good. So I'm gonna start off with these smaller ones first, which I'm gonna do the arrows facing this way because it's gonna roll it out, like not in towards my face, out towards my face. So I like to leave my curtain bangs that definitely need trim. I like leaving those out. I do those very last thing I do. So I put this side over here, this side back here, and I just leave this in my face. Sometimes I'll section my hair out and like go from parts, but I'm showing y'all the parts first and then I'll do it. Okay, so here's the bigger roll. So, whoa. I put my hair here and I kind of help it. And then I just roll it up. And then you're going to hold it. And then once you think it's like done with heat, which it doesn't take that long, you push this button, like the main button, you push it up. And it'll do a cold shock, and this really sets in your curl. And then that's what it looks like when it comes out. And I'm gonna brush that out because I'm not doing this. Okay, so now I'm gonna section my hair because I'm gonna do these smaller ones because this is how I curl my hair every single day. And I'm gonna section it from like the middle of my head, kind of. So the tighter curls fall out like better in my opinion, so I'm gonna do that. So I'm using these smaller barrels, not the big one I just showed you. And I'm going to do the ones going out towards my face, so it's going to be this one because I start with this side first. You're just going to clip it in. I'm going to do this part first. You're going to hold it. And then hold shot. And I like to roll it off like this, and then I won't touch it till the very end. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this whole side with the arrows going this way, and then I'll come back on when I'm doing this. Okay, so there's that first side done, and it makes my hair so much shorter because it's so curled. But anyways, I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna hairspray these. Not a lot, just a little bit, just to hold it. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the arrow facing the other way, and I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I'll be back when I finish this section. Okay, so that's that side done. Yeah, so now we're on this side. And then doing this. Cold shot. It's gonna burn your head. It gets so hot. And then you have that. And then I get a roller. And I put my hair in the roller so it stays because my bangs are very vital. And then I put all the hair back and then I clip the roller. And then I usually do my makeup. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna take down my hair and then I'm gonna show you how I make it look decent. So the first thing I do is take out the roller. Oh, why is it stuck? It usually doesn't get stuck. No. Pull it back. And you look like a crazy person for about a little bit. And then I just shake my head up and down. You can brush them out. You can take them out with your fingers. But now you have your hair. Which, here's what it looks like. There's not much more. Oh, you can hairspray it one more time if you want to. I usually don't. That's why I hairspray it in the sections, because then my hair doesn't feel crunchy. So I'm just gonna spread out all my curls. I just run my fingers through them. You can even get a comb. But I don't know what it is. And then you can touch up any curls that you want to touch up. You can redo your bangs. But yeah, there's my hair. And I really like how the Dyson works and how I can do my hair with it. I think it's so nice and it's so easy. And I love being able to curl my hair this fast. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Dyson tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.